I found this car on a used car lot, fell in love instantly. There was only one problem. It smelled like wet dog. The dealer had already detailed it, and they said there was nothing more they could do. So I'm going to show you what I did to take care of this problem on my own. I used these 4 products to fix this problem. I'll also link to these in the description below in case you want to pick them up for yourself. Stick around and I'll show you how I did it. The first thing I did is sprinkle baking soda all over any of the carpeted areas. I left this in here for about 24 hours and then vacuumed it out the next day. The next thing I did was replace the cabin air filter. Refer to your owner's manual to see where yours is, but most cars I've had, they've been in the back of the glove box. And that just clips out. 2 clips here. You can see this one's filthy. Not only was that one dirty, but I've discovered a whole new problem. Apparently I have a mouse or some sort of rodent living in the glove box. So I'm going to vacuum that out and then replace the filter. And I'm just going to slide this back in and reinstall the covers. Now here's the real star of the show. These Meguiar air refreshers work great to take care of odors in your car. You basically just have to start your car, turn on the air conditioning system, make sure you put it in recirc, and then open this thing up and let it run for 15 minutes in your car. And that's it. After about 5 minutes or so, don't be alarmed if this thing stops spraying. Just leave the car closed and the air conditioning on, and let it finish up for 15 minutes. All right, it's been 15 minutes, so we're gonna open this up and shut the car off. And we'll open up all the doors and air this thing out for another 15 minutes. So one thing I like about these things is it doesn't leave any residue. There's nothing left on the windshield or the dash or anything, and all you're left with is a nice clean smell. Now here's a bonus tip for you if you have leather upholstery. This Griot's Garage 3-in-1 leather spray does a great job of making your leather seats smell just like they did when you got them from the factory. So I'm going to apply this next. So that's what I did to eliminate the odor in my car. Let me know if you've used any of these products in the comments below and if they've worked for you.